In this video, I am going to show you how to unlock the Cash App Borrow feature. The Cash App Borrow feature offers users the opportunity to access additional cash, but it's not automatically available to everyone. Here's a guide on how to potentially unlock this feature. You need to meet external requirements. Cash App Borrow eligibility is based on external factors that aren't disclosed. However, it's believed that regular and seizable deposits into your Cash App account, as well as consistent usage of the app. One way to potentially unlock the Cash App Borrow feature is by getting a free cash card. You can order a cash card directly within the Cash App. Make sure to deposit $200 or more into your Cash App account within a month. This consistent deposit activity may improve your eligibility to the Borrow feature. Keep some money in your cash balance. This demonstrates active usage and financial stability, which may increase your chances of unlocking the Borrow feature. If you meet the criteria outlined above, you should see the Borrow feature available within your Cash App. It will display the maximum loan amount, which is typically $200. And any requirements such as maintaining a minimum deposit threshold. If you're unsure why you don't see the Borrow function, you can reach out to the Cash App customer service to inquire about your eligibility and any potential steps you can take to unlock the feature. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.